Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Avalanche chain to Metamask. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Metamask mobile application, then tap on the top left hand corner of the screen. Now, once you tap on it, you will see all of your enabled network here in this list. So I have already activated Avalanche chain in my Metamask account, but in your case, you won't be able to see it in the enabled networks option. Instead, you need to just scroll down a bit, and in the additional networks you will see Avalanche main network C chain. So you need to tap on the add option right next to it and then tap on the confirm option. Now once you tap on the confirm option, it will ask you to switch to the Avalanche network, so you need to select that option, and after selecting it, it will be added in your Metamask account in no time. If this video helped you out, give it a like. If you have any questions, you can do let me know that in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.